Hey you guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel. So I have the preview for CVS for you guys. So I have some breakdowns for you guys and I'm going to share with you guys my favorite deals starting I think it's the 20th. Let's just check the calendar right now. And if you hear Daniel Tiger in the background, sorry. Mama's got to do what a mama's got to do. So January 20th through the no. Is that right? Wow, the 20th through the 26th. Wow, we're almost through January already. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys really liked it last week, so I'm going to keep on bringing these to you guys on Wednesdays. All right, you guys, so Huggies wipes are a part of the buy one, get one 50% off sale. If you spend $20, you'll get $5 in extra care bucks. But this breakdown is just on wipes. So what you want to do is buy 2 3-packs for $13.48. Use 2 of those 50-cent off printable coupons. You can also use the coupons from the 1/6 Smart Source. Those do not expire until February. Also, there are app-only coupons you can send to your CVS app. I'll have a video pinned if you guys don't know how to use your CVS app. Save paper and just use your digital coupons. And then I had a 2 off 8 CRT for baby wipes. So if you have that, you will pay $10.48 for the both of them or $5.24 each. So this is not bad for 6 52 count of Huggies wipes. So I think this is a pretty good deal if you just want to go in and get some baby wipes. An added bonus is when you submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards, you're going to get 50% points back. So if you purchase this, make sure you redeem your receipt on Fetch Rewards. Scan that receipt, get some extra points. One of my favorite finds at the drugstores are always deals on groceries. So there's a great deal on the Prego pasta sauce. They are on sale 2 for $4. And there was a printable 75-cent off 2 coupon from coupons.com. So if you were able to print that coupon, you're going to pay $3.25 for the both of them or $1.62 each, which is great. And something else that is great with Prego pasta is if you submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, which is a rebate app, you're going to get bonus points because Prego is a Campbell's brand, and you get extra points when you purchase affiliate brands through the Fetch Rewards site. So if you are wondering, Gina, what is Fetch Rewards? It is my favorite rebate app. Ibotta has been kind of funky lately in terms of like locking people out, and I've never had an issue with Fetch Rewards. So I will go ahead and have that video linked below if you guys want to learn about Fetch Rewards a little bit. The one thing that I love the most about Fetch Rewards is the minimum to cash out is only $3. So you can cash out as low as $3. And I absolutely love that. And they have a CVS gift card option if you're redeeming $3. But only $3 increments if you want to get a CVS gift card. So definitely download the app below. I will have all the info below. So another really great grocery deal is on the Quaker 42-ounce oats containers. So they're on sale $2.99. Regular price is over $6, you guys. So what you can do is buy 2 of them for $5.98. Use that dollar off 2 coupon from the 113 Smart Source, so it makes them $2.49 each. And Quaker is a brand on Fetch Rewards, so you will get bonus points when you submit your receipts on any Quaker purchases. All right, so there is a baby sale going on. So when you buy $20 in selected baby items, you're going to get a $5 extra care buck back. So the Huggies diapers are on sale 2 for $20. So what you can do is buy 2 of them for $20. You can use 2 of those 2 off 1 printable coupons, or you can use the insert coupons from the 1/6 Smart Source, or you can send some coupons to your CVS app. So you'll end up paying $16, but then get a $5 extra care buck back, making them 2 for $11 or $5.50 each. Now this deal will be even sweeter if you have a diaper CRT. All right, so this next deal requires no paper coupons, and I love this because a lot of the P&G coupons are regional. So there is a P&G deal. When you spend $20 or more and select P&G, you're going to get a $5 extra care buck. So what you can do is buy one of the Charmin toilet papers, and then you can buy one of the Bounty. They're both at $7.99. Buy one of the Tide Pods for $4.94. So your total is going to be $20.92. There are $1 off one coupons you can send over to your CVS app for the Bounty and Charmin, and there's also a $2 coupon you could send over for the Tide. So you're going to end up paying $16.92, but then you earn a $5 extra care buck back, making everything $11.92 for everything. So to recap, you're going to get a package of toilet paper, paper towels, and a Tide Pod for $11.92. And I think that is a fantastic steal, you guys. All right, you guys, so there's a fantastic deal on Method dish soap. So they're buy one, get one free. We currently have Printable 75% off one coupons. You will pay $2.59 for the both of them. Also included in this promo is 7th Generation and Lysol. So they're also buy one, get one free. CoverGirl has a spend 15, get 7. So what you can do is buy one of the Lash Blast mascaras and then buy one of these new transfer resistant foundations. So they're priced for $11.29. Now we have some printable coupons to use. Coupons.com has a printable 2 off 1 CoverGirl Eye product coupon, and there's also a printable $2 face coupon. And then you can combine a 2 off 12 CRT for cosmetics here. So if you have that CRT and those coupons, you will pay $14.28, and then you will earn $7 back in extra care bucks, making the final cost $7.28 for the both of them. And I think that's a great deal. I will be trying out this foundation for you guys. So comment below if you want to see a first impression. All right, you guys, so Irish Spring Body Wash and the 6-pack of bar soap. These guys are on sale for $3.99, and when you buy 5, you're going to get a $5 extra care buck, and we're getting $1 off 1 coupons in our Smart Source this week. So you'll want to buy 3 of them for $11.97. Use 3 of those $1 off 1 coupons. And then if you have a $2 off body wash CRT, the final cost is just going to be 65 cents each. They're $1.32 if you do not have the CRT. All right, so Physicians Formula as well as Wet n Wild, they're on a spend 10, get $5. So the ad says it's a limit of 1. And then we're also supposed to be getting a mystery coupon at the coupon center. So it says, visit the Extra Care Coupon Center to get your mystery offer on select Neutrogena, Facial Care, Aveeno, Clean and Clear, Physicians Formula, and Wet n Wild Cosmetics. So we're going to be getting a bonus coupon starting Sunday at the Red Machine. And the Red Machine is the big coupon machine that you'll see in your CVS. Most of them are colored red. So yeah, you just spend 10 and you get 5, and we're going to get a bonus CRT printing, and you can also use CRTs for cosmetics for additional savings. So there is a printable breakdown. Yes, I remember the printable breakdown. Last week, I think I commented I had one, and then I just completely forgot to actually create one. So there's a printable list in the comment section below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.